My name is Manisha. I came from Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. I'm an IT working professional, and for SB Aesthetics, I got to know through social media and through Insta handle and all. So I did explore a lot. Almost 1.5 year I did explore because I wanted to made some some treatment or some good care for my skin. So I had been with few doctors and clinics, but I did not get the good results. So here I watched the good reviews here. So I came here. First I spoke with Kamla, and it was like very nice talking. So at least I got the confidence. So I came from Jharkhand here and had a consultation first for my asymmetric face. So I did my first treatment here for buccal fat removal and fat grafting. Whatever the ma'am suggested according to that, and it was very pleasant and very how they take care here, so very satisfying. So, and because of that, I actually decided to take the second surgery here. So this is my second surgery, that is rhinoplasty I have taken here. So, and very fully satisfied, and each and every person I'm very grateful and thankful how they treated, how they spoke, the politeness and everything. I'm very fully satisfied. So I'll definitely recommend my friends to those who wanted to get this treatment done. So I'll definitely recommend here. So here my thumbs up to this SB Aesthetics. Thank you very much. Heartfelt gratefulness and thank you so much. I hope I provide justice because I'm short of words, but yeah, that's very grateful.